Life isn't fair, get used to it, is a well-known quote. And nothing demonstrates that more than the Philippines. Because here, it is impossible not to notice the disparity between the have and the have-not. Today, I'm on my way to Tondo. Tondo is the largest slum of the country's capital. It has a high poverty incidence due to the lack of regular and decent jobs, while social services like health and education are inaccessible. Tondo is also Manila's largest district, housing about 650,000 people, most of whom live on the street or in small shacks. Hey, it's funny. What is here? Is that bathroom?
Yeah, it's a bathroom, yeah.
Oh,
yeah,
they used to have like cardboard, and they just put things together, and then they have their own businesses right down here. They sell everything. All right. All right. Are they able to go to school?
Yeah, the school bathroom sila.
This is the bathroom and the kitchen area.
Yeah, and then the room.
Okay. So how many people sleep here?
How many people down?
Hi. Hello. Hey. Welcome back to IvainTures. Today I'm in Manila in the section called Tondo. It's right in front of me right there. And I'm with my friend. Hello, Tondo.
Yeah,
so
Tondo.
I'm with him right here. What's your name? Julius Caesar is actually gonna walk with me through this area. Tondo is one of the most densely populated areas here in Manila. It's known for extreme poverty and criminality. But we're still gonna go in there and just take a walk and see what's going on, how people live. So, guys, welcome to IvainTures. Kindly subscribe, press that like button, and let's go check out Tondo. The first challenge about vlogging here is trying to find a place to park. So we're across the street and we couldn't. The gas station said no. So now we are here and we're gonna try to talk to some locals and see if we can actually leave our cars right there. So here we go. Hey, ciao. All right. So I think we should talk to them.
Yeah.
You know, and see. It's a good thing about having someone, a local, who can actually communicate with them and see what's going on. Yeah. Here we go. So let's go ahead and take a walk through this area, see how life is for these guys.
Yeah.
So Tondo, man.
Yeah.
What is going on here? This is like a port area, right?
Yeah, it's a port area here in the Philippines.
Yeah. Because I see they have like containers right there, like it's about to go on the ship.
Yeah. It's a port area.
Oh, a port area, yeah. Okay.
A port area here.
Hey, we should get inside, no?
Yeah, we can go inside.
Yeah, let's go inside. Yeah. How much are these coconuts?
What?
The coconuts, how much are they?
I don't know.
I'm just curious.
Walang mata. Walang mata yata. Almost $1. 50 pesos only.
You want one?
Yeah, I know. It's okay.
Are you okay? Okay.
It's okay.
Let's go. Hello guys. Hello. Hello, hi, how you doing, man? Everybody's so friendly here. Hey, oh, this kid. Hey. They're so excited about the camera. It's funny. It's a big market, but it's also where people actually live. So you have not only the stores and businesses, you also have actual residential areas, and I'm not sure that be able to get up there, but it's very interesting sight.
We can ask something.
Yeah.
Then,
Yeah.
what kind of ask them?
Right, that's right. Hello.
Hello.
What is the water for?
Para daw saan yung water ate?
CR.
What is it?
For the CR, comfort room. They use for the comfort room.
What is the comfort room?
CR.
What is CR? What is it? It says CR. I don't know what it is. What is CR? Is that bathroom?
Yeah, it's a bathroom, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah,
in the West, mental illness and substance abuse problems are the leading cause of homelessness. In the Philippines, however, low economic growth, a weak agricultural sector, increased population rates, and the high volume of inequality are the leading causes of these conditions. I'm trying to see if I can actually go see where they live, you know, if possible.
Mabayaran naman kayo.
She's okay?
Pwede
Yeah?
lang, pwede ba daw? Mabayaran naman kayo.
I just want to visit the house, you know? It's right here? Maybe ask them, man.
Yung medyo...
Hello, how are you doing, man? Good, good. Hey, what's up? All right, what's your name? What's your name? Oh, you don't speak English? All right. No?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
This house there. The house there.
Oh, is the house there? Okay, all right. It was a little bit of a challenge to get inside the house. I wanted to get a better understanding of the living conditions.
Actually, it's going there.
Yeah. Wow, so people actually live right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like this. You see?
So guys, you see, like these are people's houses. Like I don't know, these are, I call it home, but they're not. They're actual shacks, right? I mean, like they just have like cardboard, and they just put things together, and then they have their own businesses right down here. They sell everything. Wow. Okay. Wow. All right. So this is a market, but people actually like live here. Yeah. This is a.
Not just a bigger market. You see?
Yeah. Okay. Tondo is a collection of temporary housing units constructed on a dump site and is known as one of the worst slums in the country. As we were walking around, I didn't want to just take videos and pictures of people living in these conditions. I actually wanted to talk to someone who lives here and really understand what it was like to live in this area.
Boss,
Hello.
dito kayo nakatira, boss? Pwede ba kayo ma-interview, boss? Yung vlogger na
Do you speak English? No
Not too
English.
much, not too much.
Not too much, okay.
So we can translate.
Yeah, if it's okay to show us.
Babayaran na lang kayo, boss. Mag-interview lang siya sa'yo kung ano yung meron dito sa lugar mo. Kung ano meron sa bahay niyo, sir. Yan, gano'n lang. Okay lang po ba sa inyo, sir? Gusto niyo, sir? Tatanungin lang naman kayo kung ano yung meron sa'yo. Okay lang sa inyo, sir? Interview lang.
Yeah?
Oh, tapos dito sa bahay niyo, sir, okay lang. Oo. Yung ito-turn around lang.
Trying to see if we can let us in the house, you know, and like talk to him.
Bigyan ka naman, sir. Ayan.
What's his name?
Ikaw, tayo, saan ang bahay mo?
Taas bahay ko eh.
Oh yeah, we can go there.
All right, let's go. So I asked you the question. I'm gonna ask him a question, and you just translate.
Yeah, we can.
So what's his name, and how many kids does he have? How long has he been living here?
Sige, sir. Tanggalin natin, ha?
So we're gonna enter the house, see what's going on. I don't want to go too far because I have my shoes on.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
It's okay.
You can sit there.
Okay, I'm gonna sit right here.
Si Mrs. mo, sir.
So,
Diyan.
Divisoria,
And,
nabili.
nabili.
So first question, what is his name?
Ano daw pangalan mo? Gilbert.
Gilbert. How many kids does he have?
Ilan yung anak mo, sir?
5.
5.
5 kids?
Ito sila.
Alright.
Diba? Okay.
Alright. Are they able to go to school?
Yeah, nag-school ba daw sila?
Ano, 3 lang.
3. Ito. Anong grade na? Grade 4.
Grade 4.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ikaw, kuya.
Hindi ko anak yan.
Hindi mo anak yan ito. Ilang taon na to?
Okay.
3.
3 kids. Alright.
Si ate pa.
Oh, and there's another one up there. Okay. Hello, she's hiding.
Ilang taon ka na ate? 13.
Okay, 13. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, I just wanted to come and show, you know, how, you know, because people have no idea how others live in other countries. So please explain to him. I just wanted to show, like, you know, so people understand how life is in other places in the world.
Yeah. So
it's very interesting. Just wanted to show, you know.
So I asked them if this house is rented or they own.
Yeah.
So, is it your own? Sa inyo to, sir? They own this place.
You own this place.
But not the lot. Hindi sa.
Asa gobyerno to?
It's a government lot.
It's a government lot.
Oh.
Does he have to pay anything to live here?
Nagbabayad ba kayo, sir?
Ay, hindi.
No payment.
No payment?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it's a government place.
It's a government place. Okay. All right. Sounds good. All right.
Yung mga madalas na ginagawa nyo dito, sir?
Hello.
Hi.
You shy?
New Year.
She's being all shy.
Konting handa lang.
Sounds good. Okay, so is this selling things too? Or
You said, binibenta mo daw, kuya?
Pagka walang kita, dito kami kumukuha.
So, no income, they can get to have a food.
okay,
Like that.
okay, sounds good. All right, but that's good. We won't take any more of his time.
Yeah.
So hold this for me. I'm gonna give him something because he took a little bit of his time. I don't have a lot on me, but you know, something. You know. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, boss, ah.
Thank you.
Ayan. Happy New
Thank you
Year.
for your time, bro. Thank you.
So,
All right.
can you, do you want to see what's there?
If it's okay with that,
If
yes.
it's okay to you, you can tour.
Okay.
So, it's a CR.
Okay.
It's
This is the
bathroom.
bathroom.
Bathroom and also
area.
a kitchen.
Okay. Oh, this is the bathroom. This is the bathroom and the kitchen area.
Yeah, and then the room.
Okay. And then the room. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's try to get up there. Okay. So how many people sleep here?
How many people daw? How many people?
Okay.
They live there.
All of them?
They sleep there, over there.
Oh, okay. Wow, it's much bigger than I thought.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So guys, this is the area where they sleep, and you can see is plywood. You know, so it's not very heavy. It's not something that can handle a lot of weight, and if they were to fall, they'll probably get really hurt here. The area is very tight, man. Like it breaks my heart, you know, to see this. But it is what it is. I dropped my glasses there. Yeah. No, it fell behind the stairs.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can see.
You see it?
Below daw.
Ay, yung salamin niya?
Yeah.
Feel ka lang.
This.
Okay, perfect.
All right.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you so much. Oh, that's the beautiful pictures of the kids.
Yeah.
All right.
His work is a tricycle driver.
Tricycle driver?
Yeah.
Okay.
Motorcycle driver.
Yeah. All right. Sounds good.
Yeah.
Sounds good. It's so hot, man. I need some of this fan.
Yeah, it's fun.
It's fan, yeah.
Yeah, it's fun.
All right. Sounds good. Well, hell, thank you.
Thank you.
All right. See you guys.
Gilbert.
All right, Gilbert. See you, man.
All right. Yeah.
So that was a very interesting experience, man.
You feel hot?
And yeah. No, it was so hot in that house, man. It breaks my heart.
Yeah.
That's the way people live, you know. It's. I don't even have any words, guys. I don't have any words. Hi. Hello. So should we move your car? Should we move your car?
We will check them because you know the place is not safe for the car.
Yeah,
But
that's what...
I asked them to take care of the car.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hi, how are you?
Hi.
It's such a crowded place. It's really hard to distinguish, and there's really no way to distinguish between where people live and where the business happens. Everything is kind of mixed together, and it seems like most people have turned the basement of their homes into a natural market where they're actually selling stuff. This is one experience I will never forget. It is one thing to hear about these communities, but it's another to actually meet the people, spend some time with them, and talk to them. I recommend to anyone visiting Manila to come take a look at Tondo and donate a little bit. A little bit means so much around these parts.
On the midnight, sometimes there's a riot.
We clearly have no choice about how we come into this world. We have little choice early in life. And here, they understand that all too well. From the moment they are born, they don't have the time to enjoy their childhood. Very early on, they have to go out and learn how to make money in order to survive. The one thing that really touched me in this area is how happy people seem to be. Happiness has many different definitions. However, it is often described as involving a positive emotion and life satisfaction. It truly has nothing to do with material beings. So to see people with absolutely nothing and still being able to laugh and smile is truly admirable. They say life isn't fair, get used to it, but is there anything we can do to make it a little bit better? So I admit I wasn't prepared. I wasn't prepared. Take a lot of them. Oh. Hey, take.